Hey, we got Kali Linux fresh install, and we're gonna try installing Brew, otherwise known as Homebrew. Install Homebrew install Homebrew, the missing package manager for Mac OS or Linux. Let's try the installer right from the homepage. I'll open a terminal, paste in what I just copied, which says bash -c and a whole curl thing, which will download that install.sh. It's a nice looking terminal, terminal, I guess. Enter. Downloading, installing Homebrew. Hope this works. Can't even remember what I did in the other video with Ubuntu. Maybe I missed this script. I don't know. There was a complaint about Kali and apps. So we'll see. That's a lot of files it's getting from Git. Hub, maybe. 55 megabytes so far. 80%. Oh, it's jumping quick. All right. It's got it all. Now it's tapping Homebrew core, which means I guess it's grabbing another code base. It's gonna tap together the way. Come on. Oh, it's 5%. All right, this is a hard cut and a hard resume in higher percentage land. Look at where we got. We have some deltas happening. That was kind of a big download, 539.24 megabytes for that core cask. Well, that's a lot of code. I imagine a binary would be much smaller, but that would defeat the whole purpose of this exercise, wouldn't it? 59, 60%. Let's check out a bit of what Kali is going to do for us. What kind of tools do they pack? Kali tools. Want to learn more about a tool? Search it. Search for it here. Armitage. Team server. Are they the same thing, or do they just not have a description for Armitage? Team server. That's a remote desktop dealie, I believe. Could be wrong. Nope. Yup. Concatenate and redirect sockets. Very network focused distribution. Good for your DevOps peeps. Let's check our thing. There it is. It's done doing whatever it was doing on that task. John. It's John. John homepage. Bleeding Jumbo. John the Ripper Jumbo, advanced offline password cracker, which supports hundreds of hash and cipher types and runs on many operating systems, CPUs, GPUs, and even some FPGAs. Never heard of that last one. What's an FPGA? field programmable gate array. Integrated circuit designed to be configured by a customer or designer after manufacturing, hence the term field programmable, presumably. It's going good, isn't it? You can see some activity up here. Memory and CPU, I assume. Could be network, probably, actually. Oh, task manager. What do we got? We don't need return codes. I don't know what the rest of that was. Oh, we're done. Look at that. Installation successful. Next steps, run these 3 commands in your terminal to add Homebrew to your path. Echo, set path, man path, etc. for Homebrew. Home Russell Z profile, which is the ZSH profile as opposed to the bash profile. Then it does an echo eval on shell end for brew, which is in the home Linux brew directory. And then finally, I don't know, it's all one long blur. And that didn't do anything. Let's just copy and paste it because it's just going to set up brew in our shell. I hope it doesn't give us an error on that build essential. Maybe that's what the trip up was. We'll see. Paste. And then sudo get install build essential. It's already there. It's installed already. Let's try brew install GCC that it recommends as well. Fetching dependencies for GCC, fetching DMP, so on and so forth. I think we're going to be good. You ever go back? Yep. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there. Hopefully we get a good return. Very interested in this distro now. Used some of these tools that I saw, like that NCAT. Didn't get to see what this was. Yes, we did. What else is there? NDiff, Nmap, Nmap. Never mind. I was going to say it's mostly everywhere, but I don't think that's true anymore. Hydra. Hydra is a parallelized login cracker. Parallelized, which supports numerous protocols to attack. It is very fast and flexible, and new modules are easy to add. Story up. Oh, check out Brew doing this thing. The nice little beer mugs. Make you thirsty. Install some GCC, which is, I believe, GNU cross compiler, C compiler. That's it. Brew cleanup done. So that's that for the newest build of Kali Linux, installing Brew from the instructions on the Brew homepage. Enjoy.